Hello everyone and welcome back to Ruby's 3 Uncensored File. Last time we have moved to yet another city, and which we have called Laborland. And we have also discovered that we have some old friends around. Two old friends as a matter of fact. We still haven't met one other faction, but hey, it's cool. Both of them were allies to us, so that's good. Oh, and also we are quite overpopulated to say the least. And so we should probably expand, and that's what we will do. And so we should definitely attack Gustav at some point. He's such an annoying piece of crap. But for now, he's the best. For now, he's semi-useful because we can trade with him, so that saves him for now. Oh god, it's those guys. It's the Crusaders again. Oh my god, it's the last judgment. It's the last judgment. We got to eliminate them. They like crosses. How about we crucify them then? Start expanding. Oh wow, not you. You're quite the support here. Golly, that shin. Oh my goodness, you could cut bread with that. Holy. I'm sorry. I'm goofing. They grab so long. Nice water play. You can try to that yet. Now 600 waters, please. Oh, we're quite a heavy calling overall, I'd say. Pretty good going for us. Got a bunch of people over here. We just get like expand to secure our lands as much as possible. Preferably expand over to where the friendly factions are, so that I can so that they can later serve as an additional wall. As in the zombies won't attack from their way, and unless they're like they become like very weak or something. Need this defense over here for now. Actually, you should probably do some reconnaissance while you're at it. Scout out the area a little bit. No, you're backing out. Guard the guard the guard the guard the what the fuck is going on? Guard the bridge. Yes. Oh, Lord have mercy upon our souls. There's a lot of zombies in there. I could kill survivors first. I think that's like the best way to go about that. I don't know why would you ever want to touch the other ones. There's some progress. How much buildings do we need to create? 6 more. Okay, we're good. And there's a farm raider, a big farm, so we can do nothing to take care of that. You have to talk to this guy. You assimilate this land. You scout out this area real quick. More zombies. Can we move them? One came, the other didn't. How about we do that? Yeah. Still yet to know why is there so much McNoodles in here. Makes one wonder what will this be about. Oh lord. Alright, net. We're taking care of that. At the same time, take care of this farmland right here. Maybe not, maybe also expose too much tanks at once. No, yeah, let's not do it. Protection and pull them out of it for now. For now, we need to get stronger before we actually go to war with them. Oh, they are already preparing raids. What a bunch of fucking losers. I genuinely hate them so much. Wannabe Crusaders. Goofia. Who do they think they are? I'm about to rock your ass. I'm about to personally come over. Matter of fact, yeah. Matter of fact, yeah. You wanna raid us? Okay. You wanna raid us? Okay. You wanna raid us? Yep. So raid us, bitch. Try raiding us. How about we raid you instead? Building sabotaged. Cool. Defend this. What did they destroy? Oh, I think they destroyed the police station. That's fine then. Yeah, what you gonna try? What you gonna do? Handled. Yeah, we're defending our lands. We're standing on business here. Ain't gonna order us around like that. Nobody can order us around like that. Just constantly harass us and think they're gonna have no consequence. Oh, thank. You heard the cover somehow. I mean, I did have the relevant retreat, but still. Good thing the lake is defending us. I don't think they're crazy enough to cross it. It will be bold. And dumb. But bold. God, there is so many of them. This is too much for comfort. How much we're doing to take cover? 5 more. Yeah, we're gonna take the farm. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna save on myself. There we go. Gustav out there this whole rounds. Had a successful day of killing them out several deaths. They search, leave it and run. Not worth it to risk your life for some chainsaw. You gonna attack it or what? Buddy. Matter of fact, I'm slaughtering them. Yeah. Take that. Ability to fight. Yeah, they like that. Getting the hell out of that. Gustav stopped. The new ones is bad. This is from Gustav. And this is Rebecca. A zombie still a Cadillac? Oh, they're having fun over there. Well, hello. Hey. Enjoy Gustav's new, enjoy Gustav's old Cadillac then. Alright, stop gonna. Gonna be the city hall. So take care of that. 9 materials and we get 7. We could change something to make it quicker. Or while we it. Oh, never mind. While we could have built the thing there because then we would this. Because if we build the thing here, then we will automatically destroy that, and you know how it is. Then zombies bored or something and get a job when it can. Did I just say get a job to a zombie? Oh, that's beautiful. Any favorites probably. Okay, maybe not. Okay, did the critical over here now? And we're good. Thanks for covering me. Is it one? Alright, and it's almost closed. Yeah, man, they keep attacking and keep losing. Gonna stack them a bit real quick. And defend that. Gustav's gone. Gustav got defeated. What? Gustav got beaten. That's crazy. Why was Gustav beaten? Why does he blame me for that? Why do I have zero respect? Is it because they stole his Cadillac? Is that the reason? And if so, then why does he blame me? Excuse me? Keeping people safe. Didn't see it. Some first and private. Private rescue survivors. Two criminals in jail. That were allies. Head senator. No. There we go. Come on. Attack me. You don't got the balls. Apologize. Also, we should probably begin some diplomatic action, but we would have to take Nat. And Nat is a crazy good warrior. Sure. Gonna replace you with like you, and then take you. Talk to you. Attack you. There we go. Lot of smoke. This fancy language. There we go. Magus worker from a distance. Draw somewhere. Oh, that's the guy with Gustav's Cadillac. Well screwed. Unfortunately. Okay, let's see. I'll come back in a moment. No, I can't tell it's a matter of reality. Sorry, didn't read all of that, but I need to kind of lock in there. What else could we take? We could take one of the cemeteries. That would probably anger some people. I don't know. Take for now before go to the. Apologize. Oh god, defend that. You not. No, maybe not. Too soon. Alright, I reckon we're gonna be able to destroy Last Judgment and the same house, probably also like the other guys, but I'm not sure whether we will be fully able to do so. Well, maybe. Keep on rubbing and attacking, maybe you'll get something out of it. Should open it. Oh. My bound on such shot out and there is right to grab the binocular. Not comparing her to the whole. No, then. Attack him some mother. What you think you're doing, Cavalier Rebelli? What you think you're doing? And what do the zombies think they're doing? Parameter effect. Strength diminuted the strength of a carry where I had reducing the family responding from the calculation of the wind. On the wind, not one thing it's statistical outside right springing back to the base, but every time it took us blocked by undead. So when Kevin message parents in the ball bits up on out might nothing loose. After score falls up the farm to sound with the structure. Then as soon as they hit and then close the door to the reach for the handle. Fall out lightly. Young green skin man in a McDonald's from. Oh, I see why there's so many. Wait, no, I can see why there's so many McDonald's, but wait. Young green skinned man in a McDonald's influence rolled through the door and the cigarette in his hand and the aged shuffled inventor wearing a very well said fixed the well. The person precedes me. But I explained to him what we talked to his former friends and his new friends. The people who snuggled me, and after all I did for them, then his after with the command that takes a zombie up and this one first neck dash from the cigarette tapes. Oh my goodness. He got down to business. I am the president and founder of the Undead Republic of Claracania. Oh, I see. So you separated from the other undead and formed this McNoodles Empire, which is a franchise here in Liberland, henceforth known as Clarkson. Since you're now trespassing on my private property, which is the interest demands, I demand your actions with immediately. Have tasked super squads of my place to ensure that you vacate in a time in an efficient manner. Despite the chaotic about her, he's undocumented. I will get rid of them. Zombie Riders, huh? Is that like another faction, by the way? Hold up. Is that... Oh my goodness, stop. Oh my god. Thank you, stop. Is that like another faction? It's not. Huh. That's strange. So they don't really count as a faction, then. That's interesting. Talk to these guys about him. About this whole situation. Talk with Jesse. Oh, alright, I forgot to come back later. No, we should totally ruin something. Okay, find the fire station. The fire station can go. Acceptable sacrifice. Meanwhile, you can go on ahead and attack those guys over here. Attack by roamers. Oh, we got overrunner. Oh god. Clear them out, Fury. Clear them out. Doesn't work. Okay, we need to go defensive mode. Generations for you. Oh, we can finally give the... oops, pressing on the roof. We can finally give you the supplies. There we go. Like instead. There we go. Maybe give it some food while you're at it. 50% respect, really. Well, give yourself food then. Give you some stuff. Oh, Lord! What are you doing in there? Take them down! Oh, right, we lost that area because we opened that hole, I'm pretty sure. Take him down. Not come then to a raid. While we're at it. Hell yeah. 46 somewhere while we're at it. Bribe him with some sort of expert advice. There you go. And follow the smoke. Sure, we're on it. Oh, that's this place. That's the whole that's this so-called empire. Well, let's strike it. Fight our way through. Should attract the guards and persecute they run over to the fence to launch attacks, making easy picking at close range. Visualize its bloodstained and exhausted at the door of the mayor's office. Mr. Parker was reprimanding the zombie in the textile when enters the mayor's office. No, Jenkins, you bow from waist and you can see that your head fall on the floor like that. Damn it, Jenkins, stop rolling. Waiting to stick me, Clark, same side. Oh, for pity's sake, let's begin. Why have you left? Haven't you left town or died yet? Return to kill him. Clark interrupted before I could speak. Humans are all the same. When I became infected, I had to hide in a graveyard for weeks because it would a lot would kill anything that could didn't keep its skin on. I'd yell, "Hey, this isn't over here, but shoot anyway." This is exactly the kind of thing that is happening at the McDonald's. Nobody isn't at their place for users, insubordinates, and the customers such and bats. Blah blah blah, extra services, blah blah blah, McDonald's verticals. Isn't it ranting? They're supposed to be called. I had the strange one did. Introducing the frenzy of the man from the long gun fast food restaurant and he finally brought around the back around to our presence here in Clarkson. And now here is you invading my headquarters trying to die. So he made happy that it is. Toot toot toot, he yelled, starting Jenkins who dropped his head and fell over trying to catch it. I had enough trying to disabilize Jenkins kill them. Jenkins just blinks at us and drips and his face curves this way. This was the last straw for Mr. Grakhitor at his heart feeling fools, incompetence. This is the last time I'll be embarrassed in my own property. He turned left out the window. Well, he's gone. As he hobbled to his Cadillac and this little tangle killed at us. The city hall was only our customer service department. You'll never find our secret headquarters. We are clearly dealing with a madman here, or a madrotten, or whatever he is. The attacks from his super employee won't stop until we find his signature somehow. In the meantime, I guess the city hall is ours. Let's give him a message by demolishing it. But first loot it. And some materials. Yeah, this guy is crazy. I love it though. It's really funny. It's really funny. This little part of this little part of the story, and it's original too. I like it. This is cool. I don't sound stupid. God, they're just gonna keep coming one day. Oh god, I forgot about that place. I bribe them. Yeah, it's like they're really like very loyal to their cause, despite being some fanatic losers. So hey, um, that take care of that. Maybe not. Overrun once more. The regional headquarters. We found Kevin Stark headquarters rather busting ravers. Places like this packed into the brim with that even before they started walking. Always made me wonder at the sense of keeping Carol Advance around in physical form. Where is the comfort in knowing they're down there getting eaten by one of them after the thing? But many of them aren't down with their animal. They cloud their way out of the ground to join the Jenkins army employees. Administration employees, this is going to be quite a fight. Ah, Lord. Wait, where is it? I don't see it. That's the man's HQ. Here, this kingdom malreted. Wait, where is it? I don't see it. Come on, look through this place. Oh, I see. Wedding bells. Have a crazy party. Sure. There you go. Oh, it's right here. Well, going to be quite a fight. So let us come in prepared. Replace this with another guy. And come in the two of you. We just need that much, really. Please don't overrun me, please, please, like, oh, hi, Lord. The balance just went through the end, keeping up, so there will be this time. Tak Raymer sam, god. I would. You can flee this area, to be honest, it's fine. I don't think there's anything like worth our attention in there anyway. Oh, I forgot to take that over, right? The graveyard was scrolling with that most of them Xark's strange super zombies which was running around outfitting with weapons and armor ducts, typing them in place. A frontal assault would be hard when whatever our plan. This is going to be really dangerous and we might not all make it back from this one alive. Even they manually backing out if they don't think they're up for it. Snipe them from a distance. After hours of fighting, Clark herded the remaining zombies into a solid stone mausoleum. We were forced to tackle it head on and force our way in. It felt ironic the zombies held up inside and the strength to take down their forts. We used techniques we learned from them. Attacks from all sides at once. Never give them a chance to regroup. Finally, Mr. Cooler killed from within. Okay, you win already. I'm coming out. We waited for Clark to come out of the tomb. Branson only had the Rafael Carrange and Clark burst out of the door in the night in his 50s Cadillac. One hand on the wheel and another on giving us a finger. Giving us the finger. Whatever he yelled was lost in the noise, but it sounded like I'll get you next time you meddling kids. Seriously? Inside we found Jenkins, the zombie butler, looking confused. He saw the race and arm to offer me a thinking cup of tea. I think we'll keep him up. Hey, we got a zombie fellow. That's nice. Well, I reckon you should probably talk to those guys then. Take risks. Jesse. Explosives. Come back later. We don't have the resource. We should take the lab, but we're at it probably. That's a little bit farther. Will we make it? I'm not sure. Yeah, probably. If we just... Maybe not like that. We just need a proper... proper assault. And we'll be able to achieve something, probably. Oh god, roamers. Attack up, man. They really know. So the very builder. How's the situation here? 19 respect. Oh yeah, we can definitely get something anti then. Does give you a bit of that food. Now Nat can come officially and close an alliance. Well, we've defeated a capitalist empire, so you know. Close an alliance. There we go. Now we need to officially sign the alliance. Also split up. Pick up the sorry, while you're at it. Oh my goodness, the roamers. I'm gonna lose my mind. Take them down. Matter of fact, take the none of mine. The roamers, don't you dare. If you come any closer, I will I'm sending absolute crusade against you. Get away. You best get out of here. And the alliance, there we go. Oh my goodness, I'm about to eliminate this last judgment. Come out of Earth. Drive them again. With absolutely nothing. Put this over there. Spread out defenses a little bit. We can do something while we're at it. There we go. That can take care of this guy. Really? Not quite yet, because we don't have any apartments in the area. Well, we can solve that issue easily. We should also do some raiding while we're at it, because they're clearly feeling a little bit confident. Huh. Strange, and we can still get this first. I can wait. What? Oh, there we go, right. Okay. This one. Wait, no, don't do that. That's your thing. Oh, I still can't? Okay, yeah, I guess I'll be the same way I think it then. Okay. Alright. We are securing a proper. We are securing properly. We are securing our distance properly over in Laborland. Clearly, we're doing pretty well, I'd say. Now we just need the lab, and then we'll probably good for the most part. Tear down the bank while we're at it. Oh my goodness, hiccups. Right, we felt a little bit overrated. And by trade, I mean give the stuff for free. Because we have all two messages. I wonder what's over there. We haven't tried the experts. Do that for us, please. No, it's pretty much nothing checking. Well, we gotta keep invading until we keep invading until we break them. And at the same time we can take control of that place and we're good probably. We keep on invading. Hopefully we should put the oh god. Go on ahead and do that. No, you do that too. Not good. I think they're pretty much losing strength at this point. Yeah, they got nearly none. You can probably just keep one of you, maybe let's save two for now. Oh, they always have mercy upon our souls. What's going on? Defend. Defend. We need to secure this area a little better. Oh, got it. Where's the HQ? Can't find it. We need to secure this area a little better. Preferably get the lab nicely surrounded. Oh my goodness, where's the HQ? Is it not displaying? Is it this storage? Somebody got wounded. There we go, that's the mentioned HQ destroyed. Okay. So it was the HQ. Now just got to exterminate the remnants and we'll be good. Oh, there's somebody there. Hey! What you doing here? First we lost it. There we go. Why can we? Oh wow, we're low on that. That's tough. How can we take care of that then? We could just go in. I've actually not thinking about it. Also, you should continue invading those guys because they're losers and that's all we deserve. Okay. Come on, got more resources. Personal. Now that I think about it, the tutor on that guy is hate that he has no use for her food. If the zombies don't have to eat, then why do they want to consume brains so much when they want to consume humans? Makes no sense. Oh, the assessment is almost gone there. That's good. That's really good. We've got to take down the remnants and we'll be good. That. And just like that. And just like that, we have eliminated two parasites. The McNoodles Empire and in one moment, the Last Judgment. Come on. Take it down. And... oh, damn. That's a cool looking search. Kill them all. And Recon, just like that. And just like that, we have eliminated the parasites to McNoodles Empire and got them Last Judgment. And now all that's left to do is to ally the undead. But I think that can wait until next time. As for now, if you like this video, remember to like, comment and subscribe to continue other videos. And I hope to see you in the next one, where we will presumably finish Laborland and probably already get to a new city. Perhaps the City of Hope, which we are striving for so much. We'll see.